Tell your grandparents that it is now 2 a.m. You are awake, blowing raspberries. He figured out he has to stick his tongue out now to do a raspberry. Okay, ready? Do it. Do it. He is covered in slobber. That's why he's naked. He's been doing this for a few hours now. He's very proud of himself. Before that, he was trying to tear that down off the wall. See the corner? Now I think he's trying to take his diaper off. Great. He just got one of the tabs of his diaper off. Stinker. Let's see what he does. Huh? He's free on one side. Great. Great. See? This is what he's like now. Say goodnight, Gage. Say goodnight, I love you. Say goodnight, I love you. Okay.